Welcome to another CSUSB PeopleSoft tutorial. Today, we're looking at scheduling queries. Normally, you'd run your queries from Query Viewer or Query Manager. But what happens if you get an error that your result set is too large, or if we want to schedule a query to run in the future or on a recurrence? That's where scheduling a query comes in. We use scheduled query to run large queries, scheduled queries to run in the future, or on a recurrence. Let's take a look. To get to scheduled queries, navigate to Main Menu, Reporting Tools, Query, and then Schedule Query. If you don't have this access and require it, open a support ticket with ACBI through the ITS website. In order to schedule a query, you'll need a unique run control ID. You can blank search and reuse one that already exists, or you can create a new one under the Add a New Value tab. Type a name for your run control and hit Add. Under Query Name, you'll search for the name of the query you want to schedule. Type the query name into the box and hit Search. Click on the query name to select it. If your query contains prompts, you'll be presented with a pop-up to edit the prompt values. Type your prompt values into the prompt and hit OK. You'll be taken back to the Run Control Setup screen. From here, you can edit your prompts before running your query by either typing the values into the box or hitting the Update Parameters link to bring up the dialog box again. Once your query and prompts are set up, hit Run. This takes you to the Process Scheduler. On the Process Scheduler screen, you can set a recurrence, or set the query to run in the future by specifying a date and time. Or simply hit OK to begin running the query. One thing to take note of is the Format dropdown. From here, you can set the output file format for your query results. After initiating your query request, you'll be taken back to the Run Control Setup screen. Click on Process Monitor. From here, you can keep an eye on your query. Hit refresh and pay attention to the status. Once the query has successfully completed, you can hit Details and then View Log Trace to download your file. You can also quickly schedule a query from the normal navigation that you're already used to. From Query Viewer, search for your query, and hit Schedule. This takes you to a quick Run Control Setup screen. Type a name for your run control to set up a new one, or you can use the Find an Existing Value tab to reuse a run control that already exists. From there, the steps are the same as before. Happy querying!